Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wisdom IQ. In this video, I will discuss a very important topic, Tiger Reserves of India. Very important topic. Sometimes questions are asked from this topic in various competitive government exams, so it becomes quite obvious to know about this topic. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you should know what is a Tiger Reserve. Tiger Reserve is nothing, basically it is a wildlife sanctuary or a national park. But if tigers are found in that particular national park or wildlife sanctuary, then it is brought under Project Tiger program of the government, and it is declared a Tiger Reserve by Government of India. What is the Project Tiger program? Project Tiger is a tiger conservation program, and it was launched in 1973 by the Government of India during the Prime Ministership of Indira Gandhi. And this Project Tiger is administered by NTCA. NTCA is the National Tiger Conservation Authority. It is the body which was constituted under Protection Act 2006, and it is responsible for all the measures and actions which are to be taken under the Project Tiger for the conservation of the tiger. So you can see here all the data which I have provided here is based on the census which was held in 2018, and according to that census, India is home to approximately 3000 tigers, and 70% of the world's tigers are found in India, and currently there are 50 tiger reserves in India. And here you can see the state wise data. At the top position we have Madhya Pradesh with 526 tigers, and at the second position we have Karnataka with 524 tigers, and Uttarakhand has 442 tigers, and Maharashtra has 312 tigers. International Tigers Day is held every year on 29th July. And so basically what happened, why it is celebrated on 29th July? Because in 2010, 13 tiger range countries, they held the first tiger summit on 29th July. And in that summit they decided that they would double the number of wild tigers by 2022, and they gave the slogan T multiplied by 2. So and what are the name of 13 tiger range countries? They are Russia, India, China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam and Laos. So in these 13 tiger range countries, tigers are found. So, and India and Nepal, they have completed their commitment. So India achieved the target of doubling the tigers by the year 2018, and Nepal also fulfilled their commitment. They have also doubled the number of tigers, and before the deadline is 2022. First white tiger sanctuary of the world, it was inaugurated in 2016 in Madhya Pradesh, and the largest tiger reserve in India is Nagarjun Sagar Sri Salim Tiger Reserve, which is in Andhra Pradesh, and smallest tiger reserve in India is Bor Tiger Reserve, which is in Maharashtra. So here you can see the number of tigers. The first census was held in 2006. In India, the census of tigers is held after every 4 years. So first census was held in 2006, second census was held in 2010, third census was held in 2014, and fourth census was held in 2018. So the first tiger reserve is Nagarjun Sagar Sri Salim Tiger Reserve. It is located in Andhra Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, you have 3 tiger reserves. They are Kamlang Tiger Reserve, Namdafa Tiger Reserve, and Pakke Tiger Reserve. In Assam, you have 4 tiger reserves: Kaziranga Tiger Reserve, Nameri Tiger Reserve, Manas Tiger Reserve, and Orang Tiger Reserve. In Bihar, you have just 1 tiger reserve, which is Valmiki Tiger Reserve. In Chhattisgarh, you have 3 tiger reserves: Udanti Sida Nadi Tiger Reserve, Achan Kamar Tiger Reserve, and Indravati Tiger Reserve. In Jharkhand, you have 1 tiger reserve, which is Palamau Tiger Reserve. In Karnataka, you have 5 tiger reserves: Bahadra Tiger Reserve, Biligiri Ranganatha Temple Tiger Reserve, in short form it is known as BRT Tiger Reserve, Bandipur Tiger Reserve, Nagar Hole Tiger Reserve, and Kali Tiger Reserve. Earlier Kali Tiger Reserve was known as Dandeli Anshi Tiger Reserve. In Kerala, you have 2 tiger reserve, Periyar Tiger Reserve and Parambikulam Tiger Reserve. In Maharashtra, you have 4 tiger reserves, Navegaon Nagzira Tiger Reserve, Tadoba Tiger Reserve, Bor Tiger Reserve, Melghat Tiger Reserve and Sahyadri Tiger Reserve. So basically there are 5 tiger reserves in Maharashtra. In Madhya Pradesh, you have Panna Tiger Reserve, very important, Sanjay Dubri Tiger Reserve, Kana Tiger Reserve, Pench Tiger Reserve, Satpura Tiger Reserve and Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. In West Bengal, you have Buxa Tiger Reserve, Sundarbans Tiger Reserve. In Mizoram, you have only 1 tiger reserve, which is Dampa Tiger Reserve. In Odisha, you have Simlipal Tiger Reserve and Satkosia Tiger Reserve. In Rajasthan, you have Sariska Tiger Reserve, Ranthambore Tiger Reserve and Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve. In Tamil Nadu, you have Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, Muddumalai Tiger Reserve, Annamalai Tiger Reserve and Kalakkad Mundan Thorai Tiger Reserve. In Telangana, you have 2 tiger reserves, Kawal Tiger Reserve and Amrabad Tiger Reserve. And this Amrabad Tiger Reserve, it was earlier part of Nagarjun Sagar Sri Salaim Tiger Reserve, which is in Andhra Pradesh. But since Telangana got separated from Andhra Pradesh, so the Telangana state renamed the tiger reserve of their part as Amrabad Tiger Reserve. And Amrabad Tiger Reserve is the India's second largest tiger reserve. In Uttar Pradesh, you have Pilibhit Tiger Reserve, Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, which you also have a national park here, Dudhwa National Park, and Amangarh Tiger Reserve. So Amangarh Tiger Reserve, it was originally part of Jim Corbett National Park, which is in Uttarakhand. And after the state of Uttarakhand was carved out of Uttar Pradesh, Jim Corbett went to Uttarakhand and Amangarh remained in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttarakhand, you have 2 tiger reserves, Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve, which is also a national park, and Rajaji Tiger Reserve. And here are the future tiger reserves of India: Ratapani Tiger Reserve, which will be set up in Madhya Pradesh; Sunabeda Tiger Reserve, which will be set up in Odisha; Guru Ghasidas Tiger Reserve will be set up in Chhattisgarh; Malay Mahadeshwara Hills, which is also known as MM Hills Tiger Reserve, it will be set up in Karnataka; Nandor Wildlife Sanctuary, it will be set up in Uttarakhand; and Sorai Range of Tarai East, so it will be set up in Uttarakhand. So that's all in this video regarding Tiger Reserve. All the necessary information I have provided in this video, and if you want the PDF of my lectures, then you can follow the Wisdom IQ channel on Telegram. You can also follow the Wisdom IQ channel on Instagram. The link has been provided in the description. And if you find this video helpful, then please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.